Have you ever had a situation where you find a video with a great music and wanted to use that track but couldn't find it anywhere? In this video, I will show you how to extract audio from any video in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. Or if you would like to support me a bit more, you can find my Buy Me Coffee link in the description. But now, jump into the tutorial. So, as you can see in this video, we have this beautiful audio track. But actually, we do not have the audio. We can add any audio track to this video, but there is no audio track. And actually, the thing what I would like to do, I have this other video, the same situation. But I would like to change this audio to this one. And how could we do it? That's very easy and simple. We just need to click on the video and go into the audio tools. And here we have extract audio and just click extract. And now, as you can see, the audio is already here. And actually the name of the audio file will be the same as it became from the video file. Yeah. So if I have to do the same here in the other video, go into the audio tools, extract, and now I can delete from this video and going back to the other one. So just Control C and go into here, Control V. And now it's edit. And this audio, I don't know what is this. Why we have this here? But now we're supposed to have this audio. Yeah, okay, as you can see, it works now perfectly. The system did what we really want. This is how I copied the audio from the other video. So that's a really cool trick. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question or struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find short form videos. And as I already mentioned, if you would like to support me a bit more, you can find my Buy Me Coffee link in the description also, where you can support me with a smallest amount, even just a one time. You don't have to subscribe for monthly. But if you would like to do it, I highly appreciate it. So as I mentioned already, you can find those links in the description. But now this tutorial will go to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.